pizza is really freaking hot. I mean, this is like the hottest microwave pizza you've ever had. I mean, you've had microwave pizza before, but this is like molten lava microwave pizza. Oh, microwave pizza is really freaking hot. I mean, it's like really freaking crazy hot. And this is like over 9,000 degrees hot. It's like the crazy hottest pizza ever. Really hot pizza. Explosion. Boom, boom, boom. Really hot pizza. It's like the hottest pizza the taste buds have ever tasted. I mean, it tastes like really hot microwave pizza. And then it's like jumping into a volcano with like chili peppers in your pants. So it's like, really freaking hot. Really hot pizza. The hottest pizza you've ever eaten in 1,000 years. So hot. Let's see. That's a banish it. Straight away. It's on so low. Really hot pizza. Like the hottest pizza you've ever tasted. Really hot pizza. Hot pizza. Hot pizza. Like jumping into a volcano with like chili peppers in your pants. So it's like, I can honestly assure you this pizza is rather hot. So, take my word for it. This is really hot pizza.